Many of us do not allow ourselves to be vulnerable. We build a wall so people never get close enough to hurt us. When you build the wall, you're not vulnerable. That's a good news. And people won't get close enough to hurt you. Now, here's the bad news. The wall will prevent people to come close enough to you so they can actually help you. When you become vulnerable, you allow people close enough to help you. Will you be hurt sometimes? Yes. But you will be helped a lot more than you will be hurt. So today, tear down that wall and allow yourself to be vulnerable. You'll be glad you did.